What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue working on the truck and get everything sanded and ready for sealer. We're talking about all the door jambs, the doors, and our tailgate, and then we'll move on to the front and throw that fender on. Since we got the inside of that painted and cleared, we're just going to paint the outside along together with the whole truck. So if you're new, be sure to like and subscribe to support your boys, and let's get started with today's episode. Alright, so it's the next day for us. We got the whole truck wet sanded with the 600. It is a pretty time-consuming process, but if you do rush it, it'll show up in the paint. So now we're ready to tape the truck up and start laying some sealer. But we are going to get our doors off because I was thinking that there was a cover that goes here, but he had this painted black, which doesn't look too bad, but it is pretty rough, so we're going to have to get some primer on. So let's get the doors off and get to work. Dang, this one clip is giving me trouble. There we go. Now just one more bolt. Let me see them teeth.
Oh, he got some teeth.
Gonna be a big boy right here. So we went ahead and repositioned the truck and got everything nice and clean in the garage. Moving right along.
Oh yeah, for sure. We got to get this thing sealed in today.
guys, that's going to be a wrap for this episode. So we got the truck sealed and ready for paint. So in the next one, we'll be slicking in a paint job, and I'm very excited for that. Thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you're new, be sure to like, share, subscribe to support your boys. And if you haven't, follow me on Instagram at DannyTV to get an inside sneak peek there before YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you very soon.